how to pin a chat to the top in WhatsApp on iPhone. So first of all, simply open the WhatsApp and open the chat that you want to pin. So for example, I have selected this particular chat. And then from this conversation, I want to pin a particular chat. So what I'm going to do is simply scroll down and I want to pin this particular chat. So long press on this text and then you can simply tap on more. You can see pin option, simply tap on it. And then you can now choose the time. So for now, I'm going to go with 24 hours. You can pin the messages up to 30 days. And after doing that, here you can see it has come to the top of our conversation. If you even scroll down, here you can see it is pinned. So if you simply tap on it, we'll go straight back to the chat. And yeah, that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.